Hello everyone, welcome to Into the Rainforest. My name is Nigel, and let's go discover the forest together. Tropical rainforests are usually found in South America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. The latitude of the biome is usually 280 degrees, and the average yearly temperature is about 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and the moisture is no less than 168 centimeters. Like on a typical day in the tropical rainforest is hot and wet all year round. Oh hey there, didn't see you there. Did you know that the topography of a tropical rainforest is usually large trees and covered with plants? The rainfall makes the rainforest have about 50 to 260 amounts of water each year. Now let's discuss the plants. There's the evergreen, ferns, and orchids. Now let's discuss the animals. We have monkeys, we've got sloths, and of course, jaguars. Rainforests used to take up about 16% of the world's population, but now has been reduced to only 4% due to the fact of man cutting it down for wood and land. Activities you can do in the tropical rainforest is you can go hiking, canoeing, or bird watching, and many more. However, when you are in the rainforest, make sure to beware of leeches, snakes, mites, and ticks, and tropical fruit when you are in the rainforest. Did you know that flying animals in the Asian rainforest includes frogs, squirrels, and snakes? Sorry there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun. Goodbye!